Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Chrome backup failed. So first thing first, what you have to do is you have to simply close your browser if you are opening one and then reopen your Chrome browser application again. As you do that, for the next step, select this three dot icon, scroll all the way below, and from here select settings. Under settings, from your left hand side, select default browser. Make sure Google Chrome is your default browser. If it is, you will see this Google Chrome is your default browser. If not, you can also set this as your default browser from your settings. Now next step, head over to privacy and security. In here, select delete browsing data. Now, if you delete browsing data, it might also delete all of your saved password. So simply go ahead and select browsing history and simply delete all the history. If you think something is important, you may go ahead and skip that, or else you may go ahead and delete everything. Now, once you do so, scroll all the way below, select system. Now in here, make sure this use graphic acceleration when available is turned on. And once you do so, make sure this continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed is closed off. Now for the next thing, what you have to do is simply go ahead, restart your device, launch again, try the backup again, and it will fix your problem. If it's still not working, then simply uninstall Chrome from your device and then reinstall it again.